Alright.
She was delicious. So.
Let's crank it up to like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo!
It's quieter than that 22.
Yeah, send it.
Yards and we were shooting 500 all day long.
That's hilarious. 134.2.
Hitting the steel target.
131.5.
That sounds great.
That's crazy. Go ahead. So do you have to wash out the can for the ammo?
I don't. I just shoot some of the stuff out of it.
I would.
I just shoot some 5.56 out of it.
It's 100% fine. I've seen all the testing and evaluation on it. The best thing you can do to it is just put it in a end of a hose. Just wash out into the water. You're perfectly.
That's what I do.
That's all you gotta do. Our metallurgy in 2014 is much better than it was.
Well, I'm sure on carbon
back in the
steel
day.
it was a pain, but
Yeah,
you know,
we're fine with that in our technology now. It's just like the whole 5.56 deal.
133.
No.
was that it?